Okay, this is question 25, paper 2HR, June 2022. ABCD is a parallelogram and ADM is a straight line. All right, the position vector of AB is A, and the position vector of BC is B. Because it's a parallelogram, so the opposite sides are the same and they're equal. So if this is A, if AB is A, so DC is A as well. BC, the position vector of BC is B, so AD is B as well. And DM is given, that is 1/2B. Next it says that AK ratio AB is lambda ratio 1, so this length has a ratio lambda, and CL ratio CD is nu ratio 1, so this length has a ratio, no, not this one, CL has a ratio nu. And what else is given? Given that lambda ratio nu equals to 1/2. So lambda ratio nu equals to 1/2. I can write it as a fraction, lambda 1 nu equals to 1/2, and I can find the value of lambda. That is 2 lambda equals to nu. So nu equals to 2 lambda. All right. Next. It says that KLM is a straight line. So it's a straight line. Let me underline. KLM is a straight line. Let's draw a straight line here. Right. Okay. So because it's a straight line, it means that the full length, which is KM, okay, is parallel to LM. Or I can take another route as well if I use this knowledge here. So I can just write down, because it's a straight line and we know that two lines are parallel when they start from the same point and it needs to end at the same point. So if I show that KM is parallel to LM, so it means that I can write as LM equals to the ratio, the fraction of the length, let's say this is X, of the total length, and the total length is KM. Okay, so LM, let's find first LM, the root, let's label the root of LM. LM is this root and plus this root, so LD plus DM. LM is LD plus DM. Okay, LD is the opposite direction because it's a parallelogram, and the position vector is A, so this would be 1 minus nu A, and with the opposite direction, so this would be minus 1 minus nu A, and DM is 1/2B. Right, let's expand bracket here, minus A plus A nu plus 1/2B. I know that nu equals to 2 lambda, so in place of nu I can write here 2 lambda, so the 2 lambda A plus 1/2B. Right, this is LM. Now I can find out KM. For KM, let's highlight the root first for KM. For KM, K2A plus A2M, and K2A is the opposite direction, and that is negative lambda. Negative lambda A plus And next is AM, that is 3 over 2. The total here, the position vector is B plus 1 over 2B is 3 over 2B. So this is 3 over 2B. All right. Now let's say this is 1, because I need to times this by x, so I can multiply the whole thing by x. So this would be minus lambda ax plus 3 over 2 bx. Right. Let's equate 1 and 2. All right, let's equate 1 and 2. Erase this one. So minus a plus 2 lambda a plus 1 over 2b equals to minus lambda ax plus 3 over 2 bx. Right. Equate a with a and b with b. So let's do first for a. Minus a plus 2 lambda a equals to minus lambda ax. Okay. Take a common. So this is minus 1 plus 2 lambda equals to minus lambda ax. Because a is present in both, I can cancel it. Minus 1 plus 2 lambda equals to minus lambda x. I can find the value of x here, or let's equate it, b. Minus 1 plus 2 lambda over minus lambda equals to x. It's time to equate b. To equate b, let's highlight b. This is b. So 1 over 2b equals to 3 over 2 bx. Equate b. So 1 over 2b equals to 3 over 2 bx. b is cancelled, and 1 over 2 equals to 3 over 2x. I can find the value of x. So 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 equals to x. And 2, I can simplify it, and that is 1 over 3x. So this value of x I can substitute here to get what is lambda. So let's substitute minus 1 plus 2 lambda over minus lambda equals to 1 over 3. Cross multiply. So minus 1 plus 2 lambda times 3 equals to minus 1 into negative lambda is negative lambda. Minus 3 expand bracket plus 6 lambda equals to minus lambda. And 6 lambda plus lambda, solve the equation. And 7 lambda equals to 3, and lambda equals to 3 over 7. Similarly, I know that nu equals to 2 lambda. So nu equals to 2 into lambda is 3 over 7. Substitute it here, and nu equals to 6 over 7. So the question says write down the value. Okay, find the value of lambda and nu. So lambda is 3 over 7, and nu is 6 over 7. And this question carries 5 marks, and this is question number 25 from paper 2 HR June 2022. If you want to watch more videos on vectors, go to the playlist. You will find plenty of questions, exam questions on vectors. If you like my video, kindly please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.